Guys, how's it going? We had a recent update to the Pixelated Image Reveal component. So now you can do a bunch of stuff that you couldn't do before. So now we have the ability to add our own time zones. So if you don't know your time zone, just Google it and then add your time zone. It can be 5, it can be minus as well. So add your time zone and then just change the date according to your time. And then everyone globally will see exact reveal at the same time. So no need to worry about calculating any of the stuff. Now, another new update is to change your counter positions. So before we only had it in the center. So now you can make it to any of the corners or in the middle. So center, top left, top center. So you get all these options. So you can change it to whatever you want. And now we also have the counter size. So you can make it really tiny, as you can see, very small, and also you can make it very large, so it's extra large. And you can also change the font size and fonts that will affect the size even further. And there is counter color, so you can add your counter color. As you can see, this changes all the colors. I think we had that before. So this is the counter background color, so you can change your counter's background. See, it's red. So if I turn up the opacity and make it black, so it's black. It's full black. And now we have the ability to change the custom gap spacing. So the spacing means the spacing in between these texts, these lines. So you can narrow it down a little, so it narrows down, and then you can also change it to auto if you don't want to worry about that. So we have the counter shadow, so if you want a shadow beneath your counter, so it will also show, and you can change the color of the shadow, so to make it appropriate to your image or anything that you're setting up for. And also we have a shadow blur, so that is on the shadow. So if you add a shadow, you can adjust the blur of that shadow, and you can also tweak the shadow to their offset, so offset X and Y, so you get a lot of settings there. And there's a new option that is counter border. So counter border is a border around your counter, so you can make it pop up and look more interesting. So you can add it or not add it, you can hide it or show it, and then choose all the options. So you can also make it dashed. See how cool it is, and then we can make it dotted. Great. And now I think we that's it, that's all the options. And in the media there is the options to add individually. So if you want to add more, you just click on here, add, and then if you want to remove an attachment, you just remove it. And if you want to reorder, then just click, hold, and then drag it, and you can move it around. So there you go. You can add a link or upload a file, but I will suggest to add a link that makes it faster to load. And if you want to add a file, that's completely fine, it will be fast as well. But links take up less data, usage data from your website, so this is optimal. So whatever is best for you, go for it. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.